QD series automatic washing station adopt PLC control is mechanical, electrical, and pneumatic integrated equipment. It's essential for solid dosage processes and suitable for washing, drying, and cooling bins, drums, containers in pharmaceutical, food, and chemical industries. It optimizes production processes, reduces labor works, controls cross-contamination. It complies entirely with GMP requirements. When starting work, open the intake door. Push the bin into the washing chamber and close the door. Washing board top comes down to the required position. The turn plate starts automatically and rotates during the full washing process. Then the washing station starts running according to the set procedure. Pre-washing applies tap water. Tap water pressure is raised by the booster pump inside the pump station and flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for bin internal and the external surfaces cleaning. Followed with tap water pre-washing, hot water washing cycle runs automatically. In this stage, the heat exchanger inside of the pump station works and the hot water pressure is raised by the booster pump inside the pump station and flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for bin internal and external surfaces cleaning. After hot water washing procedure, system loads automatically the detergent washing procedure. In this stage, the detergent unit in the pump station prepares the detergent solution and the booster pump increases the pressure of the detergent solution. Then it flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for bin internal and the external surface cleaning. Finish the detergent washing cycle, pure water washing runs as final cleaning cycle. The pure water pressure is raised by the booster pump inside the pump station and flows through the piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls for bin internal and the external surfaces final cleaning. When the washing is finished, the system loads automatically the compressed air blow procedure. The compressed air flows through its piping to the top washing board and the nozzles on the washing chamber walls. It blows out the remaining pure water inside of the pipes. Upon finishing with compressed air flow, drying cycle starts automatically. Taking air is guided into the washing chamber through primary filter, medium filter, heat exchanger, and HEPA filter by the air fan. The bin is then dried by the hot air blowing from the upper and lower inlets. Air cooling is followed as final process upon finishing drying procedure. Taking air is guided into the washing chamber through filters by the air fan. The bin is then air-cooled by the air blowing from the upper and lower inlets. Finishing complete cleaning process. Open the chamber door, take out the clean bin, and transfer it into clean area.